Okay, what's up everyone? So today is a very exciting day. I am going to receive delivery of my brand new 2020 Honda Grom, or otherwise known as MSX 125 here in the UK. Literally any minute now. You see I've got my mask on and my gloves because it's still COVID-19 lockdown, quarantine, so hopefully it comes here soon. You alright there? Yeah, not too bad. You don't mind if I record this, do you? I can blur your face out if you needed to. Oh, because I'm doing a motorcycle vlog. So it's my first bike that I'm buying.
Ready when you are.
Yeah, card number is...
Excellent. Get that put through. Success, all done, all paid. Enjoy your bike.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much.
Okay, buddy. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Nice. You got 3 bikes to deliver today.
One left.
Is that a Forza on the front?
No, it's
that
NS 750.
Oh right, yeah. I've heard about those.
Fuel. What owner's manual? One you'll never read. The service book, so it's what is it? 3 months or 600 miles. That is your toolkit. They bring it separately because it does fit under there. There is a way to fit it under there, but it's just
Cool.
okay.
Hey, thank you very much. Take it easy. See ya.